Take a look at 493 Blue Water, Marblehead, Ohio. With a basketball court and tennis courts and community pool, family fun is just a short walk away. Picture yourself on your patio watching your family at the pool, playing ball in the green space, grilling out, and most importantly, making memories which last a lifetime. With a clean slate, make this spacious, open floor plan yours today. Don't give it a second thought. The Blue Water development is a great place to call home or your home away from home. Don't miss this opportunity. Make this one yours today.